The Google Pixel 10 lineup is shaping up to introduce a feature that could make it stand out from other Android phones, and it's not just the usual performance or camera updates. Recent leaks suggest that every Pixel 10 model, including the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold, will work with a new set of accessories called Pixelsnap cases. The interesting part, these cases appear to confirm that the entire Pixel 10 series will support Qi2 magnetic wireless charging. If you're wondering what Qi2 is, it's the latest standard for wireless charging, and it focuses on making charging faster and more efficient. A big reason for this improvement is the use of magnets. These magnets help perfectly align the charging coils in your phone with the coils in the charger. This alignment matters because if the coils aren't lined up properly, energy can be wasted, heat can build up, and charging slows down. Magnets make sure your phone is in the exact right position, so charging is quicker and more reliable. This idea isn't new. Apple's MagSafe charging system already works this way, but in the Android world, it's extremely rare. Right now, the only Android phone with built-in magnets for Qi2 charging is the HMD Skyline. If these leaks are true, Google is about to join this small group with the Pixel 10 series. The source of this news is leaked renders from the Dutch site Nieuwe. The images show the upcoming Pixelsnap cases with a clear magnetic ring inside. This strongly suggests that the Pixel 10 phones themselves will have matching magnets inside their backs. When you attach one of these cases, it should snap perfectly into place on a Qi2 charger, giving you consistent charging at top speed every time. In terms of performance, the Pixel 10 series is expected to reach up to 15 West on regular wireless chargers, but Qi2 might push that to around 3W. That's an improvement over last year's Pixel 9, which maxed out at 21W on Google's Pixel stand, and only 12W on standard Qi chargers. This boost could make wireless charging more appealing for everyday use. And it's not just the regular Pixel 10 models. Reliable leaker Evan Blass has claimed the Pixel 10 Pro Fold will also support Qi2 magnetic charging. That's big news because even Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold phones don't have magnets for wireless charging yet. However, the foldable Pixel won't launch alongside the rest of the series at the August 20th Made by Google event. Instead, it's expected in October. Some rumors also suggest the Pixel 10 models will be heavier than the Pixel 9 series. This could be because of the added magnets, or maybe because Google is including bigger batteries. If it's both, then we could see longer battery life along with better wireless charging. The Pixelsnap cases seem designed to be both stylish and protective. They'll have a soft microfiber lining to keep the phone safe from scratches, and they'll be available in colors that match the Pixel 10 lineup: indigo, a deep, rich blue; obsidian, classic black; limoncello, a bright green; frost, a pale, icy blue. These cases won't just be about protection, they'll match the phone's look and feel, continuing Google's habit of color-matching accessories. We're now only days away from the official reveal, and while magnetic charging might seem like a small update, it could make a big difference in daily use. No more having to adjust your phone's position on a charger, and no more waking up to find it didn't charge overnight. Just snap it into place and know it's working at full speed. This update shows that Google is looking beyond just software and AI when making the Pixel 10 series stand out. Of course, AI will still be a major draw for many buyers, especially with Google's recent push to add smarter features to its phones. With all these rumored upgrades, from Qi2 support and possible bigger batteries to improved hardware and Google's usual software strengths, the Pixel 10 series could be one of the most exciting Android launches of the year. The real question is whether these changes will convince people to switch from their current phones, especially loyal iPhone users. We'll have the full details soon. But based on the leaks, Google's next lineup is aiming to bring something truly useful to the table, or in this case, to the charging pad. And for Android users who have been waiting for a MagSafe-style experience, this could finally be it.